Mumbai does not introduce itself slowly. It hits you with movement, speed, and life everywhere. The roads are always awake, the city is always running. I watch everything closely, the buildings, the traffic, the people. There is a rhythm here, fast, loud, and alive. In this rush, I quickly become a part of the city. Sometimes I speak to the camera, sometimes I just observe. Because some moments are better felt than explained. This is my first real look at Mumbai and it already feels unforgettable.